Welcome back to another episode. I'm so proud of you for joining me today. Just remember the worksheets are below for you to print them out so we could do it together. If not, just watch. But did you know the Atlantic Ocean is saltier than the Pacific Ocean? Most of the salt in the ocean is the same kind of salt we put on our food, sodium chloride. The saltiest water in the world is found in Antarctica in a small lake named Don Juan Pond. Isn't that interesting? Okay, now dinos, let's get our thinking caps on and let's start our worksheet. Are you ready? That's great. Okay, grab your crayons. First, let's write our names. You dinos are getting so good at writing your names. I'm so proud of you. Okay, let's read the directions. It says, count the critters, circle the number, then color. Let's read it one more time. Count the critters, circle the number, then color. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It tells us now to circle the number. Do we circle 3? No. Do we circle 4? Nope. Do we circle 2? Nope. Do we circle 9? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do we circle 9? Yes. Okay, grab your crayon, circle the number 9. Great job, dinos. Now, it's our favorite part. It's color time. I'm coloring the ground like a forest green for the grass. I'm coloring the inside of the pumpkins yellow, so it has a glow to it, like it has lights. Now I'm coloring the first pumpkin orange. It has a cat in it. Now I'm coloring the second pumpkin. It has a happy face. The third pumpkin. The fourth pumpkin looks mean and scary. The fifth pumpkin looks like a normal pumpkin. The sixth pumpkin is very shapely. This pumpkin looks like he did something wrong. Here's the next pumpkin. Isn't he cute? Last but not least, the witching pumpkin. I'm coloring the background black so it looks like nighttime, like Halloween. Great job, Dinos! Look at all your spooky pumpkins. I'm so proud of you, and I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!